Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. In today's video I'm going to show you how I can reset the service indicator of a Mercedes S-Class. This one comes from 2003. And in this short video I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. Before we start, I will mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks about cars. Use the commentary if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, first of all, turn the ignition on. Then we're gonna go through the menu by using the menu button over here. Find the odometer, total odometer, right here. Then use the arrow button once. You'll see that the surface indicator indicates that the service needs to be done for about 3,000 kilometers. Use the R button over here, press and hold it for a few seconds. Release and press to confirm it, and you'll see that the indicator is reset. Turn the ignition off. Turn back on the ignition. We'll do the check. Yes, this is it. That was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you. Hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.